Now, as to the question if there is a common law crime in the Philippines, now, before we answer that one, we should first know kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng common law crime. When you say common law crime, it is something that has been a practice of a particular place or a particular nation. So, practices that has been done and followed from generations to generations. So, for example, sa ibang bansa or sa isang bansa, meron silang nakagisnan or nakasanayan ng gawin, even if there is no law expressing for such, pero dahil may nakasanayan na silang gawin, at kung hindi nila nagagawa ito on a regular basis, pwede silang maparusahan. So, it became a common practice. It became a common law. And if someone will not follow it, he violates such common law. And it is called, or the act or omission of not following such practice is what we call common law crime. Now, the question, meron bang common law crime sa Pilipinas? The answer is no. Because nullum crimen, nulla poena sine legis. There is no crime when there is no law punishing it. So, paano magiging isang krimen ang isang gawain or bagay kung wala namang batas na nagbibigay kahulugan nito at nagbibigay ng parusa? So, here in the Philippines, we don't recognize common law crimes because of the fact that we follow those laws that are expressly provided. Is there a common law crimes in the Philippines? The answer is no. Okay, wala po tayong ganon. So even how morally wrong it is, if there is no law making the act a crime, then there is no crime at all. A person cannot be penalized for an act done without a specific law that punishes it. So even siguro, for example, nakasanayan ng gawin ng mga tao na magbigay respeto sa isang for example sa isang statwa, nagbibigay sila ng respeto, but there is this someone na hindi nagre-respect, hindi nagbabaw, hindi nagbibigay pugay, and so pinaparusahan nila. Is it allowed in the Philippines? No, because kung walang batas na nagsasabing ito ay krimen, ang isang bagay or isang act, hindi siya pwedeng maging krimen. Okay? So, kung walang law na nagbibigay na ang gawaing ito ay isang krimen at kapag hindi nyo sinunod, mapaparusahan kayo, kahit pa lahat ng tao or most of the people are doing it or following it, yung nakagisnan na or traditional na pagrerespeto or pagbabaw, kahit nakagisnan, kahit nakasanayan, kapag walang law or walang batas na nagbibigay kahulugan nito at nagbibigay ng parusa, nagsasabi na ito ay krimen, then kahit pa sa tingin natin mali kasi hindi niya sinusunod yung nakasanayan ng gawain ng mga matatanda, kahit alam natin na mali or kahit alam natin na it is morally wrong, but you cannot punish the person of not following, or you cannot punish the person by doing so because there is no law that punishes it. Okay? So, ganun ang ibig sabihin. Now, take note that the government, in line with its police power, has the power to enact laws defining certain acts to be a crime through the legislative branch of the government. So, from time to time, the legislative branch of the government will enact laws defining certain acts or omissions as crimes. This is in line with the police power of the state. So, as I've said, ang gumagawa ng mga batas ay ang ating mga legislators. So, they are the House of Representatives and House of the Senate. So, gumagawa sila ng batas every now and then. Pwede silang gumawa ng bagong or panibagong batas na naaayon sa kasalukuyan. So, dapat ang lagi niyong tatandaan, you should remember that an act can never be considered as a crime if there is no law that punishes it. So again, the legal maxim, is that nullum crimen nulla poena sine legis. Okay, so that is the basis.